Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There's a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission for any purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 89. If we start with this box, we're only missing an 8. For this box, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 8, 5. For this top row, we're missing 3, 5, and 9. No help here. 3, 5, 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 5. No help here. 3, 5, 9. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 9. 9 here, so 2, 3. 3 here, so 2, 9. For this row, we're missing 4, 5, 6, and 7. We've got 4, 6, and 7 here, so this is our 5. 4 and the 6 here, so 7. 4 here, so 6, 4. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 9. We've got 9s covering both of these boxes, so 1, 2, 1, 2. And that means the only place our 9 can be for that column is here. That 9 makes this our 3, 2. So now we can get rid of this 9 and this 3. For this column, we're missing 3, 5, and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 9. 9 here, so 3, 5. So the only place the 9 can be in that column is here. For this column, we're missing 3, 5, 6, and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 6, 8. No help here, 3, 5, 6, 8. And same here, 3, 5, 6, 8. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 4, 6, and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 6, 8. 1 and 8 here, so 4, 6. 4 and 6 here, so 1, 8. 1 and 4 here, so 6, 8. So it looks like the only place our 4 can be in that row is here. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 8, and 9. We've got a 1 and 8 here, so this is our 9. Don't see any other help. So 1, 8, 1, 8. For this column, we're missing 3, 5, 6, and 7. We've got 5 and 7 here, so 3, 6. 6 and 7 here, so 3, 5. 3 here, so 6, 7. 3 here and 7 here. Yep, so this should be 5, 6, and 7. 3 and 7 would make this 5 and 6. Now if we look, the only place our 7 can be is here. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, 4, and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, and 6 here, so this is our 1. 2 and 4 here. So this must be our 6. This 4 makes this our 2. So this is our 4. Now we can get rid of this 6. This 2 makes this our 1, 2, and that 1 makes this our 8, 1. Now we can get rid of this 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, 5, and 8. We've got 1 and 5 here, so 3, 8. Oh, actually, this 1 makes this our 8. That would make this our 3. So for this column, we still need 1 and 5. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 1. So if we go back up here, this 8 now makes this our 6, 1. With this 5, that makes this our 6. We can get rid of this 5 and 6. That means the only place in this box our 6 can be is here. For this box now, we're only missing a 5. This 3 and 5 makes this our 9. If we look at this box now, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 9. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 6. That 6 makes this our 3. That 3 makes this our 5. For this box now, we're missing 3, 7, and 8. We've got 3 and 7 here, so this is our 8. 7 here, so 3, 7. So if we look back here, that 5 makes this our 3. That 3 makes this our 8, 5. 5 makes this our 3, and 5. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.